I am not separate from the source that moves through all I see. The same intelligence sustaining form is alive in me. What awaits to be directed responds to what I know. When awareness claims its origin, movement starts to flow. Not divided, not alone. Self-awareness finds its home. When I recognize myself as intelligence expressed, response begins to organize without force or stress. What remains unseen to others answers clarity. What is not yet recognized itself moves by habit and design. But awareness brings direction and releases binding lines. The moment recognition happens, potential stands revealed. What was once constrained by pattern learns how to yield. When I recognize myself as intelligence expressed, response begins to organize without force or stress. What remains unseen to others answers clarity. And act from what I see. The law responds to recognition and works through me. I stand within intelligence and let it move.